Hey there, Marcus here. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock your Samsung oven. So I prepared for you more types here. So on one of the types, you are going to have a button like settings or something. In Android, you are going to find this lock, and then you're going to have like 3 seconds there. So maybe you're going to have type from Samsung like that you're just going to have settings. Let's say Android, you're going to have lock and 3 seconds. And what you want to do is press and hold it for 3 seconds. Now, if you're going to have different kind of, you can even have that you're going to have just this symbol on your Samsung that you have to hold for 3 seconds. That it's going to look like this. It's going to be like that. And it's going to look like this. And here you're going to have 3 seconds. And it's going to look like exactly like that. And what you have to do again, press and hold it for 3 seconds. So you're either going to have a button that's going to be random on the panel, that under that you're going to have a lock 3 seconds, or you are going to have just the button that 3 seconds that you will need to hold, or just like unlock, lock, unlock 3 seconds, also that kind of button. So you have 3 types. First is going to have the normal traditional button that you're going to have Android. You're going to have the lock and 3 seconds, or you're going to have just the button 3 seconds, or you're going to have just even the words like the lock mode, and that you have to always press for 3 seconds. So I hope you're going to find it on your. Thank you and have a great day and goodbye.